that no Vastu Kala means architecture is the art of designing and constructing building. Okay? Painting, that is related to the drawing the painting on the wall, cloth, and other different surface. A sculpture, which means drawing the giving the shape of the different idols, statue, image. Okay, but architecture is the art of designing and constructing the different buildings here. Different buildings means here like palaces, temples, monasteries, gumba, okay, or any building, residential building also here. We can find nowadays many. There are some architect also design the different multi-story building also here. Okay, and this is also known as Vastu Kala in Nepali also here. Sanskrit and Nepali language both here. Okay? नेपालीमा पनि र संस्कृतमा पनि यसले भन्छ वास्तुकला. Okay? वास्तुकला जस्तै कि यो वस्तुशास्त्रसँग रिलेटेड पनि हुन्छ. जस्तै कि अहिले पनि हाम्रो केही सोसाइटीमा केही मानिसहरू हुन्छ धार्मिक प्रवृत्तिको मान्छे, religious minded people also here. Whenever they have to construct their building here, if they have to construct any house in any one place, no, first they consult to that, no, some people here, and they make means idea about the Vastu Shastra also here. Vastu Shastra भनेको त्यो घर बनाउँदाखेरि जस्तै अब के त्यहाँ डिजाइनहरू हुन्छ हैन, अब किचन कता राख्ने हैन, यो अरू सब रुमहरूको डिजाइनिङ कसरी कुन डाइरेक्सनमा कसरी राख्ने हो त्यो वास्तु शास्त्रमा पनि त्यसको बारेमा लेखिएको हुन्छ. This in our religious book also here, Vastu Shastra. As well as this Vastu Kala means Vastu means place of dwelling and Kala means art. Okay. So this Vastu Kala is the architecture. Architecture, that English is word here, and Vastu Kala, that word is derived from the Nepali and Sanskrit language here. So architecture is related to the planning, planning, designing, and constructing all kinds of buildings like temple, monastery, gumba, palaces, party paua, and other many more monuments here. Okay? It's clear from the definition only here. Okay? Means architecture is related to planning, designing, and constructing. Okay? Planning, designing, and constructing all types of houses. Means all kinds of buildings like a temple, monastery, gumba, palaces, party paua, and different monuments here. Okay? This is known as architecture. Okay? Means a person who is related in the architecture field here is known as architect. Okay? There is a study of the architecture also here. अहिले नेपालमा हाम्रो सायद यता छैन त्यति, तर in India and other different countries we can find there is a study of the architect also here. This architect, a person who study about the architecture, and they especially study about the designing of the building, that no, and different that no, palaces, temple, monastery, gumba. Okay. So when was this architecture, Nepalese architecture, that no, developed, and how was Nepalese architecture famous in our country, or since when Nepalese architecture began in our country, Nepal also here. Means Nepalese architecture, Sital Shah now joining. Nepalese architecture is also famous in the world here. Okay? For its unique style here.
Sir, Nepali time bhayo.
And it is because of the that no typical and attractive architecture also here. Means Nepali architecture is also famous in the world here. Okay? Even though there are big buildings and that no multi-story buildings are made in the worldwide here and other different countries of the world also here, but Nepali architect is also very unique. That's why it is also famous. Okay? And some of the Nepalese architecture has been also included in the World Heritage Sites also here. Okay? In the World Heritage Sites, some of the Nepalese architecture also included here by UNESCO. Okay? UNESCO, one of the specialized agency of United Nations. Okay? United Nations एउटा specialized agency, okay? UNESCO, which include the different that no this architect, okay, natural, religious sites of the world also in the World Heritage Sites. Among them, in the World Heritage Sites of Nepal, there has been included that no, like Pashupatinath Temple. Pashupatinath Temple are religious sites also here. Okay, Lumbini, birthplace of Lord Buddha also here. Okay, in this in Kathmandu also some of the palaces like here. In Lalitpur, okay, there is also that one Darbar Square, that to Patan Darbar Square, where there is located the Krishna temple also here, another different temple. Okay, this in Bhaktapur also there, Bhaktapur Darbar Square. Okay, Kathmandu also there is one Hanuman Dhoka Darbar Square that is also included in the World Heritage Sites by UNESCO. So these are also that some example of the architecture of Nepali. Okay, and we don't have the enough proof of the old architecture of Nepal also here. Okay, since Lichvi and Malla period only there is the proof that no, Nepalese architecture were developed, because there is also the reason here, and the main reason is that no, because while constructing the architecture there is use of the raw materials like bricks, stone, clay, okay, and other different that no, means other raw materials here, which cannot be so long lasting also here, few hundred years that no, can remain also here. Okay, but a sculpture remains longer than the architecture. You know, a sculpture जुन मूर्ति कला जुन हुन्छ नि, मूर्ति कला, a sculpture remain longer than the architecture. आर्किटेक्चर कुनै बिल्डिङ बनाइयो हैन, कुनै टेम्पल, मोनास्ट्री, प्यालेसेस बनाइयो भने त्यो केही 100 इयर्स पछि चाहिँ ड्यामेज भएर जान्छ हैन, 205 years, 600, or lastly 1000 years also here. But a sculpture can remain thousands of the years. Murti kala, because there is use of the different metals, stone, which will be long lasting here. Okay, that is the reason in the architecture that there is mention in our history. Okay, in the Nepalese history there has been mentioned during the Lichvi period that no, some of the architecture made by our some of the famous Malla kings, Lichvi kings also here. Okay, like Lichvi kings that no, this Mandev, King Mandev has also made Mangiriya Palace. Okay, in this way Amsu Burma has also made this Kailash-Kut Bhavan in Kathmandu also here. But at present there is no any proof that Mangiriya Palace or this Kailash-Kut Bhavan, that no, both palaces are not at Kathmandu Valley at present here. But some of the that no, those places evidence, okay, are available here. त्यो palace को केही evidence हरु मात्र रहेको छ. Like if you visit Lumbini, hello students.
We are here, sir.
Okay, listen now. If you visit Lumbini, then now we can see the Maya Devi temple that has been constructed, okay, in a stupa style here. And at the side of the Maya Devi temple, the old palace of King Shuddhodhan, पहिलाको सुद्धोधन राजा जुन थिए, गौतम बुद्ध father, that his palace, some evidence only remaining here. त्यो palace को केही, त्यो तलको चाहिँ ground को चाहिँ केही evidence like here, some bricks only available here, and that bricks has been kept here by the archaeological department so that people could know there was the palace of King Shuddhodhan here, where Gautam Buddha was also living in that palace here. Okay? Just as a proof only here, but that palace is already ruined also here. Okay? And new there is made one Maya Devi temple also here, another different museum also here, and where some archaeological fact has been preserved also here. And in the Maya Devi temple also here, okay, different archaeological fact has been preserved. Okay, the birthplace of Lord Buddha, where Buddha was born here, that place, a stone is also preserved in that Maya Devi temple. Okay, so now let's see now this architecture that topic here. During the Malla period also here, some of the Malla kings like Bhupatindra Malla, Pratap Malla, okay, so those kings had also constructed some of the palaces, monasteries also here, and many more temples were constructed by the Lichvi and Malla kings in Kathmandu Valley. Okay, लिच्छवी किङ्सले बनाएको चाहिँ प्रुफहरू त्यति छैन अहिले, बट मल्ल किङ्स that no, they have constructed some temples, monasteries, which is still present in Kathmandu Valley also here. Okay, like many more of them, that no, those religious sites are still that no found in Kathmandu Valley here, and this different architecture that no this architecture has been classified into three types here. Okay, like painting classified into three types. In the same way, architecture also classified into three types here. Architecture like three types but categorized variables. Okay? And these three types of architectures are that in the given that pagoda style, stupa style, and shikhar style. Okay, differently that separately we'll study about that. These three types also here. Okay? This also generally asked here. What is architecture? Like in the very short question answer, what are the different types of architecture described in brief? Okay, or either differentiate between the pagoda style, shikhar style, or differentiate between stupa style or shikhar style. Among these three styles here, the differences also asked here sometimes here. Okay, so we'll solve that question also in our exercise. There are already question also given here. So first understand about the different these three types of that architecture. Yeah. Sagar, Shital, Sagar and Shital both open the video now.
मान्दैन के रे सागर खोल
अफ गरेर कता गइहाल्छ
सर यो गेम खेलिरहेको होला पबजी सर यसलाई निकाल्नु त
ए सत्येन्द्र ज्यादा नबोल झुट
Okay,
नबोल
listen up.
सर
Okay,
मोबाइलमा
bye.
प्रब्लम छ सर खुल्दैन
Okay, listen. Okay. Now see about pagoda style here. Have you ever listened the name pagoda style?
या सर
Yes. Miss pagoda style means the style of designing. Here, style of designing multi-stored temple. Okay. Design of that multi-stored temple having the wider base चाहिँ wider हुन्छ and gradually tapered to the roof. Tapered to the top of that temple. Okay, that is known as the pagoda style, and there is a pinnacle at the top also here. Okay, I will tell about all temple name design that its type also here. Okay, listen here. And pagoda style means it is multi-stored temple having the wider base and gradually tapered top with a pinnacle. Tapered भनेको माथितिर साँगुरो हुँदै जाने हैन. At the top there is a pinnacle also here. Pinnacle do you know? गजुर. हामी धेरै जसो मन्दिरहरुमा हेर्छ नि मन्दिरको माथि चाहिँ के हुन्छ यो ताम्बाको पितल या यो सुनको पनि गोल्ड पिनाकल पनि हुने गर्छ. Okay, like if you see in temple of Pashupatinath temple, okay, Krishna temple of Kathmandu also here, at the top of the pinnacle that is made by the gold here, sunle बनाइएको चाहिँ pinnacle छ त्यहाँ. But at the local level we can see in some temple the pinnacles are made with metal that to bronze. Okay, पितलको चाहिँ बनाइएको चाहिँ यो बनाएको हुन्छ that pinnacle here gazur. Okay, so it is also one of the original Nepali that style also here. Okay, means this pagoda style is original Nepali style here, and this pagoda style is made during the Malla period, means developed during Malla period. Many more Malla kings had developed this design also here. Okay, and many more examples of this pagoda style that temple we can find here, like Pashupatinath temple also here in our country. Another different in Birga city also we can find some pagoda style that temple like Birta temple you have seen here. Okay, Birta temple. In the same way you can see Vindhyavasini temple also here. Vindhyavasini Gadimai temple you have visited. Okay, Gadimai temple is also in the pagoda style here. Okay, and just now Jivan asked here that Gawamai temple, no? So Gawamai temple is at present temple is not at the pagoda style here. Okay, present temple of Gawamai temple has been made on Chaitya style, stupa style only here. But if you see the old temple, okay, पहिलाको जुन पुरानो टेम्पल थियो गवामाई मन्दिर हैन, आजभन्दा केही वर्ष अगाडि जुन बनाइएको थियो, अहिले यो नयाँ बनाउनु भन्दा पहिलाको जुन थियो त्यो चाहिँ पैगोडा स्टाइलमा थियो. That was in pagoda style. There was multi-stored roof, हैन, multi-stored roofs were made here. But present Gawamai temple is in the Chaitya style, and that is also known as the stupa style here. Okay. So this style got the popularity in the world here. This Miss Pagoda style was got popularity in the world here. And how was it popularity got here? You have listened or studied also about one of the famous architects. Yes. Okay, we'll study in the last year advantage. After studying these three types, no, we'll study about the advantage and how to preserve them also here. Okay. So now, listen here. You have listened or study also here one of the famous architect of Nepal, that Balbahu. Have you listened the name Balbahu?
Yes, sir.
His another name was
Arnico.
Arnico, no?
Yes,
he
sir.
was one of the famous Nepal, and once he was invited by Chinese Emperor Kublai Khan. Kublai Khan has invited him during 14th century. 14th शताब्दी में 14th century में king of that to China, that he was Kublai Khan, and he has sent the message to that to Bhimdev Malla. Bhimdev Malla was the king of Kathmandu Valley, and there was message sent by Kublai Khan to send some of the architecture in China so that they could construct some monasteries, palaces also here. Okay? So Kublai Khan invitation was accepted by Bhimdev Malla, and Bhimdev Malla has sent 85 architects, including that no Arnico also here. Arnico was the main commander of that troops. Okay? Means that architect troop main commander was Arnico, and 85 that no architect were sent to China at that time here. Okay? And under the leadership command of Arnico, there were constructed many more temples, monasteries, gumbas in China, and those palaces, monasteries which were constructed by them became very popular. Okay? And Kublai Khan was also very happy with the work of that troops also here, Arnico. Okay? That's why Arnico was given a great reward by Kublai Khan also here. He was given the post of minister in his cabinet also here. How was impressed that no, Miss Kublai Khan was so impressed that no, he has given one minister post to Arnico also here, as well as he was given the citizenship of China also here, but Arnico did not accept, and he again returned back to Nepal here. Okay? That pagoda style was spreaded in China from Nepal only here. तर नेपाल भन्दा पपुलर अहिले चाइनामा यो पैगोडा स्टाइल भइसक्यो. नेपालबाट नै स्टार्ट भएको चाइनामा, तर चाइनामा अहिले धेरै पपुलर भयो पैगोडा स्टाइल. That was also introduced by Arnico in China here. Okay? And almost all the temples of Nepal are also constructed in the pagoda style only here. Okay? Many more temple you can see here. नेपालमा धेरै जसो टेम्पल चाहिँ पैगोडा स्टाइलमै छ. Okay? And some of the example like you can see Pashupatinath temple. Okay? That is also in the multi-stored here. हैन, धेरै छाना भएको हुन्छ नि multi-stored Pashupatinath near there is about 2 stored also here, 2 or 3 stored that no in Pashupatinath temple also here. In this way, Nyathpal temple, okay, Taleju Bhavani temple also here, that is also pagoda style. Then after this Jagannath temple also here, okay, other Garud Narayan temple, okay, Changu Narayan temple. In this way, Kalika temple of Bhutu, Kalika temple of Bagalung also here. In this way, Mankamna temple of Gorkha. Okay, these are the example of that. No, this pagoda style. Okay, in this way, Barai temple, Tal Barai temple, that is Pokhara also here. Shevalko bisma juncha ni euta Tal Barai temple. If you have visited Pokhara, then you might have seen also here. There is a Tal Barai temple. That is also in the pagoda style here. And these all means pagoda style temples, okay, are found almost all parts of the country here, because this is also very famous style. Okay. And next is stupa style or chaitya style. Okay. Chaitya and stupa style, this is that no, this type of style related to the Buddhist community monastery here. Okay. Buddha stupa or Chaitya style mainly consult to the Buddhism, that no, this religious sites only here. Religious sites सबभन्दा बढी हुन्छ, हिन्दू साइट्स पनि केही बनाएको छ हैन, जस्तै भने नि गावामाई टेम्पल, बिरगंजको गावामाई टेम्पल अहिलेको बनाइएको त्यो बुद्ध स्टाइलमै नि हो. Okay. And what is a stupa or that no, this Chaitya style here means the building having its roof in the shape of an arc. Shape of an arc is known as stupa. Stupa style में क्या होता है, arc जस्तो shape भएको हुन्छ, circular shape here. Yes. There is a circular shape given here. Okay. So stupa style is also the style of designing a building of this type also here. And stupa style has its feature that it has a round base. Here stupa style को feature में क्या होता है, there is a round base. Base इसको round हुन्छ, गोलो हुन्छ एकदम. Okay. And a tapered top containing a pinnacle. र माथितिर जब आउँछ tapering हुँदै गएको हुन्छ. There is no any roof. Like a pagoda style, different roofs are made here. But in Chaitya style, there is no roof here. Okay. Base is broad and a tapered top containing here. तलतिरबाट माथि साँघुरो हुँदै गएको हुन्छ. And there is a circular shape here. Circle, half circle जस्तो डम भएको डम हुन्छ. डम शेपमा, जस्तै कि यो शम्भुनाथमा हामी हेर्छौँ बौद्धनाथ हैन, बौद्धनाथ एन्ड शम्भुनाथको त्यो मोनास्ट्री हेर्यो भने के हुन्छ, तलतिर पुरा ब्रोड बेस भएको हुन्छ, ब्रोड बेस चौडा. As it goes upward here, okay, upside here, there is a circular shape also here. Circular half circle जस्तो shape भएको, half circular shape मा त्यो डम को shape भएको आकार त्यहाँ दिएको हुन्छ. And at the top also there is a pinnacle. Stupa style मा पनि top मा के हुन्छ, there is a pinnacle also here. Okay. And it is called the Chaitya. And this style was introduced in Nepal from India. Here, it is not the original Nepali design also here. Pagoda style is the Nepali original design here. But Chaitya style is not of Nepal, that no origin here. Understand? Chaitya style भनेको आफ्नो नेपालको origin होइन, नेपालबाट origin भएको, develop भएको होइन. It was introduced from India. And do you know who introduced from India to Nepal? इन्डियाबाट नेपालमा कसले इन्ट्रोड्युस गरे हो? Who? Any idea?
Archaeologist भनिहाल्थ्यो न.
Okay, listen. You have listened the name one Maurya King. Huh?
Emperor Ashoka.
Yeah, one of the famous Maurya King. Okay, Maurya
Yes,
King Ashoka. Means he was a great king of India also here. He has spreaded his territory,
Sir,
including
Ashoka pillar is built in Lumbini by him only.
he only visited and built Ashoka pillar also here in Kathmandu also here. He has erected that stupa style construction also here. But if you study about Ashoka also here, Emperor Ashoka, in the net also you can search in Google, you can find there very proofs also here. He was one of the great emperor also here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And he has participated in many wars also here. धेरै वार पनि उनले गरेको थियो. And he has owned the war also here. He has spread his territory. आफ्नो राज्यको सीमाना पनि धेरै फैलाएको थियो. Okay? And he has killed his thousands of opponents. Okay? हजारौं opponents लाई पनि उनले मारेको थियो. And later he was impressed by the Buddhism. बौद्ध धर्मबाट उनले impressed भयो. Okay? And then he left his palace and wandered in search of the peace. जस्तै गौतम बुद्धले के गरेको थियो, आफ्नो राज्य छोडेर पीसको लागि घुमेको थियो नि, पीसको लागि. He has went for the peace. In the same way, Ashoka also here left his palace and went in search of peace, and he entered to Nepal, went to Lumbini also here. He has erected Lumbini Ashoka pillar also here, and visited other place, and then came to Kathmandu. And in Kathmandu also he has erected one monastery here. Okay, that monastery he has erected, that is also known as the Ashoka Stupa. Ashoka Stupa that is erected in Lalitpur district in Patan. के ललितपुर डिस्ट्रिक्टको पाटन भन्ने जुन ठाउँ छ पाटनमा एउटा अशोका स्तूपा बनेको छ द्याट वाज इरेक्टेड बाई हिम ओन्ली हियर के अशोका हियर द्याट इज अल्सो that introduced in Nepal by King Ashoka here. Okay, and then other different example we can find here Ashoka style, this stupa style here like Shambhunath temple, Bauddhanath temple, okay, Charumati temple also here, Mahabauddha temple, and if you visit Lumini, there is a Mayadevi temple also here. Okay, Mayadevi temple temple is also erected in the stupa style here. शम्भुनाथ अल्सो हियर बौद्धनाथ शम्भुनाथ अल्सो हियर त शम्भुनाथमा गयो भने शम्भुनाथमा पनि के छ कि त्यहाँ मेन शम्भुनाथ टेम्पल इज इन द बौद्ध स्तूपा स्टाइल हियर बट एट द साइड अफ द शम्भुनाथ टेम्पल शम्भुनाथ स्तूपाको छेउमा हामी हेर्यौँ भने शम्भुनाथ स्तूपाको छेउमा चाहिँ यो त्यहाँ अर्को टेम्पल पनि रहेको छ है स्तूपा टेम्पल के भन्छ यो शम्भुनाथको साइडमा अनन्तपुर के अनन्तपुर एन्ड प्रतापपुर यो न्यू नेम छ अनन्तपुर एन्ड प्रतापपुर भनेर टेम्पल यहाँ एउटा छ त्यो चाहिँ प्यागोडा स्टाइलमा फेरि बनाएको छ हैन त्यो चाहिँ हैन शिखर स्टाइलमा अनन्तपुर एन्ड प्रतापपुर शम्भुकै छेउमा शम्भु स्तूपाकै छेउमा छ त्यो डाँडामा शम्भु डाँडामा नि छ के तर त्यो चाहिँ शिखर स्टाइलमा बनाएको छ ओके सो दिज आर द एक्जाम्पल अफ द स्तूपा स्टाइल हियर एन्ड नम्बर 3 इज द शिखर स्टाइल ओके एन्ड मेनी मोर एक्जाम्पल अल्सो गिवन हियर दिस स्तूपा स्टाइल अल्सो इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक अल्सो दे आर गिवन हियर ओके एन्ड नम्बर 3 इज द शिखर स्टाइल नेक्स्ट शिखर स्टाइल of the architecture. Shikhar style of the architecture is believed to be introduced in Nepal by the Lichvi. Okay? And do you know Shikhar style is also original Nepali style or which country style here? Shikhar style is also India. Shikhar style is also not the original Nepali. It is also from India only here. This introduced from India. And do you know this style come from Nepal? India को कुन ठाउँबाट नेपालमा आएको थियो उनीहरु लिच्छवीहरु
लिच्छवी
You have already studied in class 6 and 7 only social study book. There you already mentioned.
Sir, I think from Maharashtra.
No, our neighboring Bihar. Neighboring state, India को neighboring state बिहारबाट है बिहारको वैशाली जिल्ला नाम सुन्यो होला अहिलेको हाजीपुर जुन छ नि हाजीपुर जंक्शन
यस सर हाजीपुर यस सर
या मुजफ्फरपुरबाट जुन हामी जान्छौं हाजीपुर हैन
यस सर
हाजीपुर जुन अहिले जुन जंक्शन छ हाजीपुर जंक्शन भनेको त्यो त्यहाँको बिहारको वैशाली जिल्लामा पर्छ वैशाली जिल्ला हाजीपुर सोनपुर यो सबै वैशाली जिल्लामा पर्छ है र त्यही वैशाली जिल्ला भनेको लिच्छवीहरूको पहिलाको राज्य थियो त्यो ओके मिस थाउजन्ड्स अफ इयर्स अगो अझभन्दा हजारौं वर्ष पहिला हजारौं भनेपछि कम से कम 809 years ago here okay Lichvi used to rule over there but they were defeated by the other dynasties and they ran away from there उनीहरु त्यहाँबाट भागे वैशाली जिल्लाबाट भागेर उनीहरु के गए नेपालमा आए okay they entered to Nepal and they settle in Kathmandu Valley here. Okay. And they
what लगाउनु त अलि
फेरि अफ गरेर त बसिरहेछ है okay listen now and when they entered in Nepal here they started ruling that no this Mr. Lichvi started ruling in Nepal here. Okay, so Lichvi introduced the Shikhar style in Nepal here. When they came from India, then they erected some of the Shikhar style that no construction also here. Okay, and during the 4th century here, 4th century only this style was introduced also here. During the rule of that no Gupta dynasty here, there was a Gupta dynasty also ruling in Nepal here. Okay, during the 4th century. And Shikhar style architecture is also designing of the different buildings, palaces also here. And in the Shikhar style also there is the broad base and upward there is the narrower here. शिखर स्टाइल में के हुन्छ there is the designing of the shape of the like a tower जस्तो shape भएको okay base is broad upward that goes at the this narrower area okay like you have seen some trees in the mountain region okay pine and fir tree okay pine and fir tree you have seen here or during
Yes,
the
sir.
that no time here 25th December we celebrate no, that Christian community Christmas day. Yes, during
30th December.
day you have seen here Christmas tree. No, Christmas tree को जुन shape दिएको हुन्छ नि तल broad हुन्छ माथि narrower गएको हुन्छ or in the Himalayan region mountain region okay or taiga forest area the trees found at no of the same year style here okay upside there is go in the narrower side narrower only तल चाहिँ broad हुन्छ र माथि narrower हुन्छ okay this type of design is that known as the शिखर style here शिखर को shape भएको and the temple built in this style also there are few in Nepal only here there is also छैन नेपालमा mostly pagoda style or the stupa and शिखर style temples are few only in Nepal here okay like in Kathmandu also you can see here in if you visit you can find here in Kathmandu valley like Shikhar style temple like no Krishna temple is also located in Patan here okay and it is also very popular in Nepal because this temple has the largest number of pinnacles. Do you know how many pinnacles are there in Krishna temple?
No, sir.
There are 21 pinnacles. I have
Sir,
also
what is
visited
the
and
price?
yes I have visited also here and counted also here okay पाटन दरबार स्क्वायरमा जुन कृष्ण टेम्पल छ पिनाकल चाहिँ गजुर माथि जुन हुन्छ नि टपमा त्यो कृष्ण टेम्पलमा चाहिँ 21 वटा पिनाकलहरु रहेको छ 21 वटा गजुर भएको त्यो जीके बुकमा पनि सोध्ने गर्छ दिएको छ ओके which is the temple of Nepal which has the largest number of pinnacle that is Krishna temple of Patan okay another example like Shiva Mandir of Indra Chowk in Kathmandu को इन्द्र चौकमा गयो भने त्यहाँ शिव मन्दिर पनि छ इन दिस वे बत्सल देवी टेम्पल पनि भक्तपुरमा रहेको छ भक्तपुर जिल्लामा बत्सल देवी टेम्पल र अघि नै भने मैले यो शम्भु डाँडामा भएको जुन शम्भु स्तूपाको छेउमा जुन छ अनन्तपुर एन्ड प्रतापपुर okay these are also the example of this शिखर style here okay and even in India also if you visit Gaya India को बोध गया जुन छ नि बोध गया where Lord Buddha has meditated Lord Buddha ले जहाँ ध्यान गरेको थियो हैन त्यो बोध गयामा पनि एउटा टेम्पल छ that is also in the शिखर style okay बौद्ध Lord Buddha ले जुन पीपल ट्री को तल जुन उनले मेडिटेसन गरेको थियो र बोधित्व प्राप्त गरेको थियो नि त्यही ट्री कै छेउमा त्यहाँ टेम्पल पनि बनाएको छ एउटा Buddha temple that is also constructed in the Shikhar style. Yes. No. His building is in the Mughal style. King Akbar that no, it is in Mughal style here. Okay. Mughal style. त्यो पनि हामी पढ्छौं नेपालमा पनि मुगल स्टाइल छ जस्तै कि जानकी टेम्पल हो नि यहाँ जानकी टेम्पल जुन जनकपुरको छ त्यो कुन छ न शिखर हो न स्तूपा हो न यो पैगोडा स्टाइल हो that is in the Mughal style here okay Mughal style means that was developed by the Muslim architect here especially Muslim architect ले डिजाइन गरेको छ यो मुगल स्टाइल हो जुन नेपालमा यो जानकी टेम्पल जुन छ जानकी टेम्पल पनि कसले बनाएको हो थाहा छ Janaki temple was constructed by one of the queen of India Tikkamgarh की रानी थिइन् एउटा Bris Bhanu Kumari have you listened her name
Yes sir Naulakha
yes Bris Bhanu Kumari of Tikkamgarh India she has visited to Nepal and at that time she has expended 9 lakh rupees to construct Janaki temple that's why it is known as also Naulakha temple here okay and this temple was constructed by the Muslim architects. Janaki temple was constructed by Muslim architect and Muslim architect used to live in the compound of Janaki temple only here. Okay. अहिले पनि काठमा जनकपुरको जानकी टेम्पल घुम्न हामी गयौं भने त्यो जानकी टेम्पलको पछाडीपट्टि चाहिँ यो वेस्ट र साउथ कर्नरमा एउटा मस्जिद पनि छ त्यहाँभित्र है। त्यो मस्जिद त्यो किन बनाइएको छ भने जानकी टेम्पल हिन्दू रिलिजियस साइट हो, तर हिन्दू रिलिजियस साइट्सको भित्र चाहिँ एउटा मस्क बनाइएको छ। मस्जिद अहिले पनि छ त्यहाँ, अहिले पनि मुस्लिमहरू त्यहाँ गएर नमाज पढ्ने गर्छ। थाहा छ?
थाहा छ सर।
एभलिस थाहा छ?
यस सर।
र त्यो किन बनाइएको थियो? बिकज वेन द मुस्लिम आर्किटेक्ट युज टु कन्स्ट्रक्ट द जानकी टेम्पल इन मुगल स्टाइल फर प्रेइङ अफ द मुस्लिम पिपल, मुस्लिम आर्किटेक्ट हियर, र मुस्लिम लेबरहरू जुन आएको थियो आर्किटेक्ट र त्यो कन्स्ट्रक्सन गर्ने जुन लेबरहरू, उनीहरूको नमाज पढ्नको लागि त्यो मस्क बनाइएको। बट आफ्टर कम्प्लिसन द मुगल स्टाइल द्याट नो दिस कन्स्ट्रक्सन जानकी टेम्पल, दे